just a broader term for personal financial management, business financial management, and various types of digital wealth management. So it's personal financial management is a subset of digital wealth management. I think the crucial thing is banks and other financial firms need to give customers more help managing their money and help them achieve the outcomes that they want to achieve. The great opportunity from technology is to help them do that. What we're seeing happening particularly this year is the introduction of a number of chatbots that are providing money management help in a slightly different way. Well, chatbots are probably the biggest trend in money management because up till now, most money management has been delivered through graphics and text. Obviously, delivering it through chat provides a different way for people to interact, a different way to provide tips and alerts and so on. So I think that's probably the biggest shift in money management this year, yes. I think when a lot of banks first introduced digital money management, they were seeing it as a standalone proposition. What's happened over time is they've realized this really needs to sit at the core of digital banking. And actually the very purpose of banking is changing. Banks need to move away from the mindset of selling products and services to customers and instead really trying to help those customers live their lives. So really money management is evolving to become personal financial coaching, which is helping individuals think about, what are the goals I have in life? How can I save up and achieve those goals? So I think that's quite a big shift. And some of that has been inspired by fintechs and other startups and other new entrants showing different ways of doing that, different, better ways of helping customers. I think what's important for financial institutions to think about is really what is the customer outcome? What is it that they're trying to help their customers do? And so this isn't about deploying software and delivering software on an app or a website. It's about really thinking about how can we help our customers manage their money better? If our purpose as a bank is to help our customers, how can we use technology to do that? So really the key strategy is to focus on the customer and the outcomes customers want to achieve. And obviously you do that by really studying your customers, by listening to them, talking to them, asking them, studying them, understanding how they use it and how they manage their financial lives today, and then looking for ways to help them do that better. I think one of the challenges is customers don't always realize what banks have. They aren't necessarily aware of all the services that banks can offer to them. So I think there's a lot of work that banks can do and should do with education. So for example, simple things like using video to show people how to use software. Another great strategy is to use employees in a branch. A lot of customers go into branches quite often. They sometimes have a good relationship with people in the branches. It's often easier for someone in a branch to show a customer how to use something, particularly customers who are less familiar with technology. So I think there's a lot that banks can do to help customers understand the services that are available to them. I think the biggest pitfall is when banks implement technology and think they've solved the problem without really thinking about customers, without really understanding whether customers are using it or getting any value from it. And not continually iterating that and understanding how our customers are using it, how can we improve it, and so on. So the common pitfall is really taking a sort of project-based approach, saying we've done that, we've built it, it's finished. Because it doesn't work like that. You deploy something and then you need to teach your customers how to use it, you need to understand whether they're getting any value from it, you need to keep improving it. So it's the project-based mindset that's the problem, rather than really thinking about we're continuously trying to help our customers.